Do you want your reception child to be able to read 10 words confidently in just 1 minute? If so, keep listening. So, my name is Joanna, and I have been a primary school teacher for 15 years. And up until now, I've taught over 2,000 students. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can teach your child to read 10 words confidently in just 1 minute. So, when we teach children how to read, we want to make it as fun and purposeful as possible. So, we use rhyme because not only is it fun, but it also helps us to teach patterns of language, which is easier for children to pick up. So, I'm going to teach you the at family of words. So, with my whiteboard, I'm going to write at on the board. And it's good to give children context with words, so to make it purposeful. So what you might say is, I am at home, to create a sentence for them. And what I'm going to do is just add a new sound to the front every time to create a word. So, at, bat. So we had at and now bat. And if we change it again, at, cat, a new word. At, fat. At, hat. At, mat. See, they all rhyme. They all have the same word ending. At, pat. At, rat. At, sat. And you can make it more fun as well by putting a new sound at the beginning, an alien word. So we would have z, at, zat. And you say, that doesn't make sense. That's an alien word. But they think it's fun. And it's all about learning patterns of language and making it fun for children so they want to read more. So once you've done this a few times, what you can do is then write on the back all of those words, and you can point to them randomly, like at, sat, cat, mat, fat, hat, rat, pat, bat. And you can even ask them if they can remember our alien word, zat. So that's 10 words. You can use a timer to make it more fun, to see if they can do it in quick time and even quicker the next time. So I hope this was helpful, and if it was, please comment and like and share it with somebody who you think would benefit. So until next time, bye.